Good morning, guys. I'm looking for this long in gold, guys. I'm looking for it, to be honest. I'm gonna enter. What the heck is happening here? I'm gonna enter with 35, 50. How much? That's 2 contracts. Any closer of the 50 minutes, I'm gonna be out. That's beautiful, guys. We're holding the 4010. We close the 15 minutes right now. Any closure below this week, I will be out. $172. And I will add one more if we come back lower. Good morning, everybody. In long, that's a beautiful buy price. 4 seconds closing right now. I had that level from yesterday, guys. I'm gonna take this 50 minutes closure. Hard stop loss will be here. Where? Why it's invalid price? Oh my God! Buy, close position. Oh my God! I wanted to buy. Why did I do these mistakes? I wanted to buy in buy. Wow! Thanks God I realized it. I entered in a sell position. I wanted to enter buy. It would have been a perfect price here. $20 more, but it's okay. Oh my God! What a mistake! What a mistake there! What a mistake! If it comes back and pulls me, get me in a bit more. You know what? Get me in. And stop loss there. Why? Oh my God! What the heck am I doing today, guys? I'm drunk. I wanted to put only 3 contracts, not 4 contracts. Today I'm doing random things there. 3 contracts, only 3 contracts. And we're gonna aim for this push here above one of these 3, or even more, much higher. I like it. Good morning, Valles. Good morning. Any closure of the 50 minutes candle below this level, I will be out. I will be out. So that's my decision on it, and I'm gonna take it in with you, Valles. Let's go, man. So look, I've done this. I don't know what happened. Drunk. I wanted to enter long here. I enter short. I realized it. I was like, I was putting the stop loss, and it was telling me invalid price, and I was like, why the stop loss is invalid price? It never happened. Why the stop loss is invalid price? And then, thanks God, I realized it because of that. If not, I would be in a short position right now. So we're gonna aim for at least this push here, or even more, guys. Why I'm aiming for this? I'm gonna explain you why this. I had this entry in mind since before. We pushed from the bottom. We're making up lower high, higher high, and stuff like that, and blah blah blah. We're holding the 4,000. Look at this 4,000 level. We're holding it, and we didn't liquidate these highs prior. So right now, all these people that are shorting and shorting here, probably they have the stop loss here. We have this trend line as well. So all these people that are shorting, all this world is shorting gold, and probably they have the stop loss here above. So that one, let's go. Let's get trend line liquidity above. That's what I was looking at. Valleys. So we're gonna go for that long and get these people out. We're gonna help them and see if we can squeeze them out. That will be amazing. Happy entry right now. NQ nothing at all. If I have to go and check NQ, let me check NQ. Let me check NQ. NQ, it just gone lower at all. We're below this. The most important level is that we're below these freaking highs here. Right now we're kind of holding, but no, not really holding, because what I checked is the hour chart. The hour chart was this level here. These tops were the main level for me to think about. Okay, this is a short level. If we're below these peaks, we have a double bottom here. This bottom liquidated this previous one, but did not liquidate this one. So we might have strength to come to this low side. How would be nice to have it with a nice entry, with a nice pullback, with a nice liquidity grab, thinking before taking a short. So I'm gonna leave it this one, how it goes. If it comes above here, because we have this level right now, we have this level. If we come back above, hopefully grab some highs here and we close lower, then I will look for this short. If not, we're gonna leave it there. Let's go back to gold. Nice right now for the moment. I should be up $80 in top. I should be up much more, but I messed up. But it's okay. Because I should be... I have $30 loss that should not have not been there. Let's go, guys. Let's get it. I'm gonna share my live stream as well in Discord. If everyone is welcome, you're welcome. My Discord is there, is available for everyone. It's free. I'm sorry that you might get some scammers texting you pretending it's me, but I cannot do much when a Discord is free. That's what happened, unfortunately. One day I will make it as a paid one, only for new people, just to block this insanity of fake people. Everyone, long, live on. Gonna wait for this 30 minutes as well. That would be amazing if we get this 30 minutes too. Closing above the 4010, that's beautiful. Even better if we can get it, that would be super nice. Yeah, that is in 10 minutes. So we're gonna wait for that. We're definitely taking this 15 minutes after as well. The 1 hour turned green. Let's see what we're gonna get. If the 50 minutes candle closes below this level, I'm gonna call myself out. I take the loss and accept it. Just because if we don't hold this level, there's a good chance we're coming back for this little double bottom here, and this 4,000 again to be retested. If this does not hold, that's my opinion. We have this level here, but I believe this one is more important because I've seen it in the last days as well. It's kind of both. This is the like area here with a lot of wicks here anyway. A lot of wicks. This at 4,008, 9 up to 4,008. All this week did not get anything of the previous week. This week did not really get anything above here. Head and shoulder here on the top. A lot trend line that Valley said as well. So right now we are in a good trade, guys. We're in a good trade. I love this trade. Let's get it. Let's get it. Valleys, are you in Aaron's Trades Discord as well? Maybe you have a different name in... Are you in Aaron Discord? Yeah, which is your name in Discord there? Valley as well, or you have a different name? Tom. Tom with the picture of the I don't know what is that one, the animation picture, whatever. But yeah, I see. Thank you for coming, by the way. Appreciate it. I believe it's you. It's you that Tom there. 6 weeks. I joined 3 weeks ago with Aaron. 3 weeks ago. So you joined it before me. You're OG in Discord compared to me. Yeah, I entered in 3 weeks ago. I've done, how many calls I've done for the moment? 2 calls. One the first week and one after 2 weeks, and now it's 3 weeks. 1, 2, 3, 4. Ah no, 4 or 5 weeks. 4 or 5 weeks. Yeah, same Valley, same. How long have you been trading? Zambi, I've been trading for 5 years, but I needed someone to help me on this last step because I'm break even. I don't lose money. I don't make money. I'm there. So I was like, nice push there, guys. Hopefully we can get a bigger squeeze after this 30 minutes closure. NQ is trying to sell off there, but I will not trust yet NQ. Not yet. Trading since April last, the ACT crap format, and had enough. Just looked about at Sinantas and liked this approach. So I will say, good. You went for membership and mentorship as well, because I think that's one of my mistake when I started trading. I tried to do too much alone, waiting but when I realized, especially this year, if you want to be good at something, you find someone that is good at it and you get teaching from it. Even if you think about, you paid some money, that is for your growth much faster, because now it's been for me 5 years. Last year I was profitable. I made 20,000. It's not a big number, but when you're profitable in trading, it's already big enough. So I made 20,000 this year. I'm break even. I should add the expense of these last 3 PAs below. But well, I paid my mentorship now on my 5th year. I was like, I need someone just to help me better in a strategy. So you've done well, my friend. Let's see how this candle is closing right now. 4 more minutes. If we start to close bearish below, I'll call myself out. But for the moment, it's still good. It's still a good candle. Good morning, Fayat. Psychology has been the biggest thing for me. Psychology has been the biggest for me for the first 3 years, my friend. On the 4th year, I finally clicked on it. This year, fine. It's true, I had some problems in sometimes, but overall, my psychology has been great. It's my problem is strategy right now, but psychology has been my issue for 3 years. Yeah, I understand that. I accepting losses, accepting trades. It's a lot of acceptance. It's crazy how trading gets your inner devil. You really become someone else. Guys, how are we gonna close this candle? Let's see, because until we close above here, I'm fine with it. If we close below, that was how many ticks were that one quicker? With 50 ticks, there were 50 quick ticks there. NQ trying to bounce, that's why I didn't like that short. I'm gonna wait for NQ to show me something that is more interesting for me, for shorting wise, until net. Oh, that's I don't like that. Let's see how it closes, but I might call myself quick. Let's see. I get your point, my friend. The rejection is not sexy at all. That rejection is not sexy at all. Huh. We're gonna see soon. I'm gonna leave it until I see closure. Closure below the level. If not, we'll figure it out soon, guys. 30 minutes is closing in 1 minute and 46 seconds. Can these push a little bit more, or we call it out? Yeah, 414 here. This piece of crap here. One more minute and 20 seconds. Where is our 30 minutes closing? It's fighting there. It's trying to find support right now in that level. NQ range, yeah, waiting to see it, grabbing some highs before thinking about shorting. If this is 47 seconds to decide on this trade, it was beautiful. This entry was beautiful. I'm happy with the entry. Just did not happen as we like. You know, it would have been amazing to close somewhere here and then push again on the next opening, but it was just crap. Man, I'm not an ICT fan at all. At all. I don't like him. I don't like how he pretends to be the god of trading. Yeah, I don't like all that shit. Guys, we might call ourselves out. $100 loss with my mistake before. I'm out, guys. Flatten it. It did not flatten, of course, as always in this all my accounts. Gonna leave it there, flatten it. I'm down $170. No, $104 I'm down. Ah, yeah. What? Why I'm down 100? I think, yeah, I think why I'm down that much is because I should be down only $104. But when I clicked flatten, this candle already went down and the flatten did not work. I really have to stop using flatten here. If I want to flatten, I need to flatten from my Trader Pro. This is a lesson. I'm done flattening from here. It does not work in Quant Tower. I'm done. That's bullshit. That's really bullshit there, guys. Honestly, this could have been a quick short, huh? I'm so pissed with Quant Tower. $80 lost more just for bullshit. Guys, I know I can be sounds too much aggressive, but if I like the shot, I'm gonna take the shot. Grab this freaking previous candle. Oh my god. Let's see if it wants to fill me there with a bit. Okay, this target will be a quick target for 1,000. Yeah, yes. Quant Tower flattening is not working nicely, to be honest. It's not the first time it happened. So honestly, the next time if I want to flatten, I just need to flatten from a Trader Pro. Yeah, yeah. Look, if I was strong and clear with my mindset, this was a quick reversal. That was a quick reversal here. I enter short, and you move to the next, and you move. That will be, oh my god. And that was a beautiful shot, guys. That was beautiful. No, it's much more than that. No, it's not that. It's really, and unfortunately, that's a beautiful tape. $300 there. Yeah, I lost $80 because you have to compare this account. What is it? You have to compare this account, $104 with the other one here, $180. So I lost $80 more from one account to the other one. This one was flattened correctly. This one were not flattened correctly. I should have been strong here to short right away. That's a nice lesson next time. If something does not make sense anymore, maybe look at the fact that this does not work. It might come back lower to grab these lows. I did it right now there. Let's evaluate and we see. Muhammad, good morning. That one in NQ? And right now we're gonna wait. We'll see that. It's still far. It's still too far for thinking that it's Nvidia earnings. 19. It's still like eight more days. No, yeah, 8 more days if the 19. We're selling off in NQ, but we will see if an opportunity comes in NQ when it does make sense. For the moment, nothing makes sense in NQ right now. Oh, that was a beautiful quick short here. I like the long, but it did not happen. But the flat, oh my god, I'm so pissed that the flat did not work that much. $4,000 here. Are we closing lower? Nope. We're bouncing a little bit there. We're gonna leave it. It was a beautiful short right away to take in gold after taking the loss. Good lesson for the next time. That would be nice if we see some sell as well in gold. Yeah, it's beautiful, man. I don't level, I guess level. I mean, I had this level. It was perfect. We closed below. After we grabbed these highs, we come back. We close lower. 50 minutes. Look at this 50 minutes candle. I was sexy as hell. Wicked out. Boom. Close red. Close your position and just reverse. I had to click reverse. Get short. Got short. Yeah. Crazy. Now we're closing nicely strong here. Oh, that's it. That's it. Selling off. That's one Q selling off. Next low here, and even more lower in gold. I would say the next one is 981. It's here mostly more important than this one. But let's see. Crazy. If I take a short here in the next 5 minutes candle, I just need to handle any closure above of it. So I like that it did not take it off. I like that. It's gonna do it right now. Why this short? I didn't take this short here from the top here. It's okay. Freaking breaking levels right now. Piece of crap. My quant hour is just slowing down. It's very slow right now. Does it want to come back? I do looking below the 4,000. I think we're gonna roll lower. At least at 383, 84. After we grab these highs, closing lower the 4,000. I'm gonna just get in a short with one contract. Just to be in. What the heck I see here? Why I see minus $150? What the heck? I'm gonna put myself only one contract. NQ is dump. Yeah, my friend. NQ is just dumping as hell, man. I'm gonna look at this gold to dump me even more. The moment this 5 minutes candle closes, come back above and closes above, I will look for more shorts. NQ is just dumping, guys. NQ is just dumping as hell. Look at the NQ. Oh my god. That is already 370. Oh my god, 190 points. That was crazy. I'm gonna add to this short, guys, in gold as well. 11 seconds. Why my quant tower is today sucks? What's happening to my quant tower? Why it's stuck right now? I don't know where I am. I did not get filled, right? 23 seconds? Oh, I got filled. Oh, I got filled. It's catching up. 18 seconds. 13 seconds. Wow, that's crazy. So laggy right now, quant tower. What the? I don't understand. What the heck? I'm gonna close my Discord. What's happening to my quant tower? No, but it's my computer. So guys, I think my computer is like not able to handle live stream of softwares and all of that together at the same time. I'm thinking that's crazy. This quant tower not managing to show it. I'm gonna connect. Let me connect to WealthChart just to be sure that I have a chart that is loading faster. I'm gonna lower the WealthChart as well in front of me just to be sure I am looking. Right now it's okay. GCZ5. Okay. $70 loss, it's still fine. I'm still fine with this loss. Above here, I'm still at $166 loss. That's chill. If we see it closing above the 4,000, then I will be like, okay, I'm so get the hell out from this trade. If this is closes above, I need to call myself out. And the 50-minute candle as well closing in there at the same time. In 1 minute and 30 seconds, we will figure it out. One minute and 15 seconds. We're rejecting the 4,000. We want this to accelerate to the downside, not to fake me out. Reject this area, you piece of crap. In the last days, NQ and gold is doing the same things. 200 folders at 10 a.m. We still have 15 minutes before we're gonna YOLO. 46 seconds. Are we gonna close below the 44,000 in the 50 minutes candle? That's gonna be crucial, guys. This candle here closing below, that's gonna be crucial. 33 seconds. 25 seconds there. $16 seconds to decide if this trade is going to be there alive for 5 more minutes. Yes, it is for the moment. More. And now it's not, it's closing there. It's still holding, and we're going to keep it. We're going to keep it. No, what the heck am I doing? Are we gonna screw ourselves in this trade, guys? I still like the short idea. Closing the 50 minutes below, it's a good trade. It's a short I would have taken. Let's see if this short is gonna be my death sentence. I will add one more contract if it's come back to short side. If this candle reverse, that means the 50 minutes is reversing. I will take it as a short if it wants to come back. Fake out these people that are trying to buy and come lower. Come lower. This is my sell stop order is matching the 50 minutes candle. I'm gonna get filled, guys. I'm filled. One more short. Crazy. Crazy. Free contract short. We're rejecting, still rejecting this 4,000. A freaking NQ, guys, as well. NQ. The next 50 minutes are going to be important because if we see that 30 minutes and 1 hour closing lower, then this trade is totally confirmed, kind of. There is no certainty, but it will be better. Come on, sell off right now. 2 more minutes for this candle to close. I haven't noticed that on my own trading, when I have levels that I look for fake outs, when they actually break and retest, they tend to work. They look like, it's like you think it's gonna probably break and retest and continue higher. Yeah, its kill can be, yes. Ah. Wait, what do you mean by that? Explain to me your meaning. Yeah. Okay. If it rejects, yeah. Yeah, I will, if I see this as well, if I see this 5 minutes starting to close lower, making red things, guys, I will add to this position and have this as a stop loss. Then will give me like probably like even 5-6 contracts. No, that's a bit too much. 4 contracts here, if I add average, will be still $230 loss. We're closing in 10 minutes. We're still closing below, guys. We're still closing lower, 6 seconds. As if we reverse this candle 5 minutes, I'm adding one more contract. I'm gonna use this one as a hard stop loss. With 4 contracts, and 4 contracts in, guys. Good luck to us. Good luck to us. Come on, reverse. Go lower, you piece of crap of market. Reject. Don't be nasty with me. You've been trying to reject. Come on, give us a freaking candle break lower on this 5-minute chart. Come on. Oh, come on. Accelerate. Accelerate right now. Piece of shit, accelerate. To the downside, accelerate, accelerate. This NQ, guys, is playing with your life as well there. It's good chance it's going to break lower as well in NQ. Rejecting the 25,000 too. But it's playing with your life. Under 396, like it looks makes sense for what you say right now. Even still, this is the level. Another level is, you might say, is here. Yeah. This week, with this week here. Come on. Not now, right now. Give us this acceleration that we've been looking for since before. Give us this acceleration. I'm gonna take one contract at the bottom here and leave free. Here we go. Come on, let's get this. Let's get this. That's how much that's one. $160. That's not even that much. Let's see. Come on, sell. 7 more minutes, 2 more minutes for this candle to close, and 7 more minutes for the 1 hour, 50 minutes, and 50 minutes candle to close. Will be amazing if we can get a nice sell-off right now. NQ is playing with you guys. Be careful for fake out on the 25,000. Hopefully it's not gonna push as well gold higher. This NQ, and it's really doing it. It's really doing this. NQ is playing with us. Look at this NQ, guys. The 25,000 there. Come on. Can you do the deposit of NQ? NQ, if NQ gives a red candle there, if NQ gives a red candle here on the 5 minutes, giving a red fake candle here, it's good for short from my point. And it's looking interesting. Faking out the 25,000. Come on, sell right now. 43 seconds for this 5 minutes candle to close. Are we gonna, oh my god, come on, reject. You've been rejecting, you can still continue rejecting. Reject this 4,000. You use this level so much. You can do it. We're still closing below the level. We're still closing below the level, guys. It's gonna play with us. Is it gonna play with us, guys? What is it? What is it? The news? It's not here. It's huge here. Is it gonna play with us? Short. We're just shorting these things. Gold, we're shorting this 4,000. We're waiting for this to freaking destroy the lows. Freaking destroy all the, get these buyers out. Get these buyers out. Take them out. Nick said before 2 news at 10 a.m. No, 1 news at 10 a.m. Consumer sentiment. You Mitch. Consumer sentiment preliminary at 10 a.m. You said 2 folders news or something else? Maybe you saw the news. 2 orange folders. You said. Okay, are we gonna get destroyed? It's holding, guys. It's unfortunately holding. Yeah, gray hair is there coming, guys, for all of us. I'm gonna just give it a time. Give it a time. That hopefully it rejects again. If not, we call it out. This time I'm gonna flatten from my freaking AirTrader Pro instead of Quant Tower. Quant Tower has played bad cards with me. Why NQ is going higher and as well gold is bouncing? It should be the kind of opposite. Two minutes and 30 seconds for this candle, guys. Are you going to flatten before news? No, I'm not gonna flatten before news. I'm gonna keep it during the news. If we close above, if we close above, I'm gonna call myself out. But if not, I'm gonna keep it. And let's see, right now it's playing. That's sad. That was a beautiful trade, to be honest. This short I would have taken anytime. I would have taken that short anytime. I'm ready to flatten, guys. One more minute. I'm gonna probably flatten like in a second. Today is not easy. Today is shit. Today is shit in general, my friend. I'm out, guys. I flattened everything. I'm out. Nice loss for the moment, but we're gonna move to MNQ. Gonna move in NQ, guys, because this thing is interesting. If this is news is selling off, go away, Nasdaq. Go. Oh my God, you piece of. I don't want to look at gold because I saw gold rejecting right now before the candle. I swear to you, if gold comes back and rejects it, I'm gonna punch myself. Look at. Oh my God, guys, look at gold. I might short gold, guy. NQ, guys. Start breaking. I'm gonna go one contract there. Look at. I wanna show you gold. Okay, go. The closing candle was here. So, but you know, it's just luck. You know, it could have been much more higher or lower. So that's $110 from the closure, but it's okay. Zia, what's up? Zia. You know what means Zia in Italian? Auntie. Brightness. You are my brightness for today, brother. Welcome to the channel. Appreciate you for being here, my friend. Welcome, everybody. Everybody is welcome here. Everyone is welcome. Everyone is welcome. Everyone is welcome. If this candle does not close below the level, I will cut it out and close the live, guys, and be done for this week. Gold skyrocket. It's not this, the funny things of gold is that when you're wrong, that means it's going to the other direction. The level 4000 holding, go live, go away, fly away. This candle are wrong because the candle was here. That's what I entered before and I got stopped out. Two more minutes. One more minute. One more minute. We can add to this contract selling off. You can add to this contract selling off. $50 seconds. 50 seconds. Below the 25,000, effect out the 25,000, coming back, closing lower below this level. That it was resistance, support. And right now we can look for another short here. $18 seconds. Oh, it's closing very nicely strong here. I put one at 950 there. Now I'm short with 2 contracts. Come on. Come on, market. Can you sell at least in NQ that you're so weak? Come on. Now it's blocked, of course, because I cannot see where the heck it is. Okay, one is gone. What the heck is this? My stop loss. I'm gonna leave it there because I think we have space up to 800. We can get a few more points here. Nice trade. Yeah, it was a good trade. Even the moving to gold, this trade was still good for me. This 5 minutes candle, I mean, this was too much because I was like, maybe this is, I would say this is probably close to FOMO. This was an entry here. I would have entered for sure with this 5 minutes candle closer, weaken out the previous one, closing below. I would say that was a good trade, but still did not work out, so I'm fine. Yeah, that first entry sucked. That was FOMO. Yeah, I'm gonna admit it. Someone is calling me and I don't know these numbers. What the fuck is these numbers? This is fake numbers calling you. What the fuck is this? I need to block all these people. Let me Google this phone number. 56828. Probably scam numbers. What the heck is calling me there? I don't know. You know these freaking fake numbers? Annoying. 5 more minutes. Yeah, telephone marketing. Man, you know how many I blocked them? Now they're back. If this 5 minutes candle closes below the level, I like it. Huh? We come back. I don't like it. Yeah, in France it's crazy, man. In France is insane. We have an insanity in France about these fake things. It's crazy. There is no really limitation or anything. It's crazy. That's annoying. We could take out this low here, but I saw this possible low to be taken the next one. So that's why I'm like still on a short. But that's nice, a bounce there. That's annoying. Might call myself out at this closing here. Oh, that's annoying as hell. I don't trade Forex. I think many people say it's not great for slippage and many other things. And futures is just better on all factors. Let me. I might flatten soon, guys. Yeah, I'm out. I'm out. Yeah, not good trading day, guys. Even right now here, it was a beautiful trade itself. Guess I was, again, in this case, too greedy because, oh my God, with 2 contracts, I was already at $240 of profit. Maybe I was too greedy there. I was looking, just to be honest, on continuation. Stop loss and break even should have been the best things to do. In the end, I closed in losing $67 in one and making $96. So I'm a little bit green in this trade. Anything can happen. It still can come back, rejecting the 25,000, rejecting this area for continuation shorter. Yeah, I'm done. I don't think I'm trading that best, so I will leave it like this and take the loss, making the week negative. This trade was beautiful. This trade itself could have been even from here at the pullback itself. I think this trade I was just too greedy. I should have just taken my win, the $250 win at the 900s I was looking for, where I took my first take profit. But I believe it's too late to say that. Anyway, it's too late. I've taken the loss. You think I was making it a green day? I agree with that, Nick. I think my brain was like, make it a green day, push it, push it. Somehow I still think that these accounts can blow up and I won't suffer. So I'm like going on that direction. But I should have taken the $250 win, because this trade is kind of trade of taken here, going to the next low and be out. High win rate, 25,000. Grabbed all these people that were going long. Now they got stopped out. Yeah, I believe that's mostly what happened there. Guys, I'm done. I'm coming back on Monday, and I will as well coming back from Monday with new videos in the main channel. I will be in South America. I'll live stream from there. I'm still gonna push these accounts a little bit more. Yeah, no, this is a perfect setup for me, Nick. This is like a perfect setup. This is a perfect setup. This was a perfect setup. You take risking. Let's say if I risked 4 contracts, that's too much. 3 contracts, 2 contracts, $300 to make 280. That's crazy. Almost 1-to-1 with the correct size from the beginning. So that was a $300 trade. And if I go here, this was a loss, but in reality, we have to take it that this was a short. This was the trade. So in reality, to be honest, it's crazy as we think right now. This is again could have been an easy to say afterwards, but a good green day could have been. But whatever. Right now, gold is trying to break again the 4,000, closing lower. will definitely make it sell off more. Yeah, it could have been a much better day. 100%. 100% could have been a much better day. The trades there were there. Yeah. No. But I'm not hard on myself. I'm gonna just take it, accept it, accept my loss as always. I just need to stop thinking about the P&L in some cases. This was a good trade. Take it and move on. $240 there. And could have been a like half loss, less than a half loss that I'm taking right now. Yeah, less than half. But it is what it is. Thank you. Gold is selling off right now. Guys, have a beautiful day. Love you all. Thank you so much. I don't think I'm gonna trade anything else anymore. Take it to me. Even this one that like, oh, I'm gonna take it as a short. No, I'm not gonna take it. Love you guys. Thank you so much.